In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add call to action link to Loom video. By the end, you'll know exactly where to place a link so your viewers can take the next step, whether that's booking a call, downloading a file, or visiting a page without hunting around for it. First, open the Loom video you want to update. If you aren't already signed in, log in and head to your video library, then select the specific recording. Give the page a moment to load so all the editing options appear. Next, look for the description section. You'll find it near the video title on the video page, usually just below or alongside the player, depending on your layout. This is where you add context, summaries, or any resources you want viewers to see while they watch. It's a simple text field, but it's also prime real estate for driving action. Now paste your call to action link directly into that description box. Keep it clear and concise so viewers instantly understand what they'll get when they click. For example, you might write, book a call, https, yourlink.com, or if you're sharing a file, try download here, yourlink.com. Loom automatically recognizes full URLs and turns them into clickable links, so there's nothing extra you need to format. If you want to add a short sentence before the link, keep it friendly and action-oriented. Think of it like a signpost that removes any hesitation for your viewer. Placing your link in the description section is the most visible and clickable option on your Loom video page. Viewers can see it right away, and it remains accessible without pausing or expanding hidden menus. To make the link stand out even more, put it at the very top of the description so it appears above any additional notes or context you add. A few quick tips to make your CTA perform better: use a secure, clean URL that starts with https so it previews properly. Avoid overly long tracking parameters that look messy, and keep your phrasing straightforward. Verbs like book, download, or get started work well. If you're including more than one resource, place the primary action first so there's no confusion. And as a reminder, don't include any private or sensitive information in your description. That's all there is to it. Open your Loom video, find the